A warm good afternoon to one and all. I am Nagabhavani from TTWRDC Khammam. I am pursuing BSc final year in the branch of MPCS. First of all, I would like to thank head office for giving the students this wonderful opportunity in pandemic situation. Today I am going to lecture on prepositions. Prepositions invented by pedantic grammarian in the year 1701. Prepositions meaning: preposition tells us the position of something in relation to another. Next, a preposition is a word which is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relations with something else in the sentence. This is preposition definition. Next, prepositions functions within phrases to modify main verbs, nouns or adjectives. They also express spatial and temporal relationship between parts of a sentence. Next, location: at, on, in. Prepositions differ according to the number of dimensions they refer to. We can group them into three classes using concepts from geometry, point, surface and area or volume. First of all, point. Prepositions in the group indicated that the noun that follows them is treated as a point in relation to which another object is positioned. Next, surface. Prepositions in this group indicated that the positions of an object is defined with respect to a surface on which is rests. Next, area or volume. Positions in this group indicated that an object lies within the boundaries of an area or within the confines of a volume. Next, direction. To, on, in. These prepositions express movement towards something, to, into and onto, corresponding respectively to the prepositions of location: at, in and on. Each pair can be defined by the same spatial relations of point, line, surface or area or volume. Next, temporal relation. Prepositions also express how objects related temporally. Prepositions can express a point in time or an extended time. On, at and in and each used to express similar relations as their spatial counterparts. Next, since, by, for and from, to are used to express extended time. Next, for is a personal and personally limiting preposition and expressed a priority relationship. Also, for refers to temporal duration. Example: I went to England for 2 weeks. And motivation. To is a equitative directional preposition and should be used to explain the impersonal connection between objects. Next, for. Speak for myself. Here, for refers to motivate and is personally limiting and priority. The emphasis is as follows: I speak on my own behalf. No one else does it for me. Next, this is my first time for a visit. This sentence lays more stress on the personal motive for the visit. The preposition stress the relationship between the visitor and the visit. Next, to. Speak to myself. How to explain the direction of the conversation. Next, in future is. This is my first time on visit. To visit is a infinitive, not a preposition. This sentence lays stress on the action of the visit. An adverb could be added to inform the reader of a specific type of action. Next, kinds of prepositions. There are two types of kinds of prepositions based on their use in a sentence, based on the construction of preposition themselves. Based on the use in a sentence, there are three types: preposition of place, preposition of time, preposition of moment. Based on the construction of prepositions themselves, there are four types: simple preposition, double preposition, compound preposition, participle preposition. Next, based on their use in a sentence, the prepositions are divided into categories of three categories: preposition of place, preposition of time, preposition of moment. I would like to explain preposition of place. Preposition of place refers to those prepositions which can be used to show where something is located. Examples of preposition of place: above, up, after, on, before, against, by, behind, below, along, near, down, in, at, across, inside, between, over. These all are preposition of place examples. There are four types of examples in preposition of place. The aeroplane is flying above the clouds. Above is known as preposition of place. The dog buried the bone under the ground. Under is known as preposition of place. Our house is at the end of the street. At is known as preposition of place. The cat ran across the road. Across is known as preposition of place. Next, preposition of time definition. A preposition of time helps to link the noun or pronoun with a time value. It functions as an indicator as to what point of time did an event occur. Next, examples of preposition of time: about, before, for, by, around, in, ago, at, past, since, to, on, after, until, between, during. These all are preposition of time examples. There are four types of examples in preposition of time. The train is about an hour late. About is known as preposition of time. The classes being at 8 o'clock. At is known as preposition of time. My birthday falls on Wednesday. On is known as preposition of time. India has been independent since 1947. Since is known as preposition of time. Next, preposition of moment definition. Preposition of moment is used to show movements to or from a place. Preposition of moment examples: down, fast, into, behind, up, onto, through, off, over, on, across, at, by, for, after, towards. These all are preposition of moment examples. There are four types of examples here. The cat has climbed up a tree. Up is known as preposition of moment. The children got off the bus. Off is known as preposition of moment. She ran along the prevent. Along is known as preposition of moment. The bus goes towards the market. Towards is known as preposition of moment. Next, exercise. The books are dash the cupboard. Next one. The dog is dash the chair. Third one. The apple is dash the book. Answers of the above exercise: the books are dash in the cupboard. The dog is under the chair. The apple is on the book. Next exercise. First one, the horse is jumping dash the wall. Second one, the boy is writing dash the blackboard. Third one, the rat is dash the cat. Answers: the horse is jumping over the wall. The boy is writing on the blackboard. Third one is the rat is near the cat. Next, based on the construction of preposition themselves, the prepositions are four different categories: simple preposition, double preposition, compound preposition, participle preposition. First one, simple preposition definition. Prepositions that consist of one word and are very simple to understand. These are the most basic prepositions and are used frequently. Examples of simple prepositions: above, under, around, through, after, on, before, about, among, behind, along, near, down, in, at, etc. There are four types of simple preposition examples. The paper is on my desk. On is simple preposition. The man was standing under the tree. Under is simple preposition. I will meet you near your house at 5 pm. At is simple preposition. She is currently staying in a hostel. In is simple preposition. Next, double preposition. Double prepositions are two positions but are joined to make a whole new one. Next, double prepositions examples: inside, outside, into, onto, up to, within, without, among. There are four types of double preposition examples. First one, outside the house lies a beautiful garden. Outside is known as double preposition. It is up to us to find a way out. Way out. Up is known as double preposition. The dog jumped onto the bed. Onto is known as double preposition. Once upon a time there lived a king. Upon is known as double preposition. Next, compound preposition definition. Compound prepositions are two-word prepositions. Unlike double prepositions, compound prepositions are not joined and turn into one word. They remain as two different words. Examples of compound prepositions: according to, apart from, close to, because of, far from, next to, rather than, instead of, out of, due to, relating to, in front of. There are four types of examples of compound preposition. My car is parked in front of the house. In front of is known as compound preposition. Rita was never close to her parent. Close to is known as compound preposition. She cannot stay her as of now. As of now is known as compound preposition. His behavior is far from normal. Far from is known as compound preposition. Next, participle preposition. Participle preposition definition. Participle prepositions are basically participle used as prepositions. A participle is actually a verb that ends with en or ing. Examples of participle preposition: concerning, during, excluding, given, following, failing, respected, provided, pending, considering, notwithstanding, including. These all are participle preposition examples. There are three types of examples in participle preposition. Everywhere my father went, his dog was following him. Following is known as participle preposition. Ram is always colors about anything concerning Shyam. Concerning is known as participle preposition. Everybody was invited to the function bearing small children. Bearing is known as participle preposition. Exercise of simple preposition. The young boy is dash the phone right now. Second one is my family is going dash vacation this summer. Third one is the toy bear is dash the box. Answers of the simple prepositions: the young boy is one on the phone right now. Second one is my family is going to vacation this summer. Third one is the toy bear is in the box. Next, double preposition examples: dash the house lies a beautiful garden. Second one is the owl sat dash a banyan tree. Third one is I never leave my house dash an umbrella due to the uncertain weather. Answers of the double preposition. Outside the house lies a beautiful garden. Second one is the wall sat atop a banyan tree. Third one is I never leave my house without an umbrella due to the uncertain weather. Next one is compound preposition examples. The dash the auditorium is beautiful. Robin is standing dash Julie. He could not leave home dash heavy rain. Answers of the compound preposition. The inside of the auditorium is beautiful. Robin is standing next to Julie. He could not leave home because of heavy rain. Examples of participle preposition. Everywhere he went, the dog kept to dash him. Second one is the entire class went to picnic dash the teacher. She works dash the day and studies at night. Answers of the participle preposition. Everywhere he went, the dog kept following him. The entire class went to the picnic, including the teacher. Next one, she works during the day and studies at night. Here, following, including, during. These all are participle preposition. Next, here, inside, next to, because of. These all are compound prepositions. Next, outside, atop, without. These all are double prepositions. Next, compound prepositions. On, to, in. These all are compound prepositions. Thank you.